Most people would install flooring right over this. But the problem is that almost always comes back to haunt you later. After removing the carpet in this bedroom, I found a long crack running through the subfloor. At first glance, the crack didn't look too bad. But man, was I wrong. Once I put the level across it, the real problem showed up. The floor had a significant dip in the low spot, peeking along the crack. And that's a bigger issue than the crack itself. LVP flooring needs a flat surface. If you install over a dip like this, the floor can flex under, which puts stress on the locking system. And over time, that can lead to separation, movement, and or complete failure of your flooring. So before doing any leveling, I started by sealing the crack. The goal here is to fill the void and create a solid base before applying floor patch. And also, so the floor patch doesn't go through the crack, since you can see the obvious separation. Once the crack was filled, it was time to correct the low area. I applied floor patch across the low spot and worked it into the surrounding floor. Then, I used a long level to screed everything flat. This is one of those steps that takes patience and time. Remember, the better your prep work is, the easier the flooring installation becomes. After the patch cured, I came back the next day to verify the repair. The difference? It was immediate. The level sat flat across the floor and the bubble center. Now, the subfloor was ready for the flooring. Taking the time to fix issues like this before installation makes a huge difference in the finished product. Most flooring problems start right underneath the flooring. And that's why prep work is one of the most important parts of any installation. Take your time do it right.